Splash! We are freezing out here! What are the sensors saying?
Mudgie, get out of there! The temperature sensors on the bridge have just dropped to 0. It's not weather. Something massive is displacing the air. You hear that? Tell me you hear that. It sounds like screaming metal.
It's coming from everywhere.
It's moving at 40 miles per hour. It's gonna hit you in 3 seconds. Move!
Die! We are
Ghost
Otters. Welcome back to the channel. Tonight we are at the Blackwood Railway line. 1925. Midnight Express vanished here.
Vanished. Meaning gone. Meaning we should leave it alone. Actually, I've already deployed remote static cameras along the bridge. I'll be monitoring everything from here. If the train manifests, I'll see the heat signatures on the thermal array before you guys even can hear it.
Great. So you get the heated van with snacks, and we get the invisible death train.
We need eyes in the sky, Oscar. Flash is our lifeline. If he says run, we run.
Energy is already spiking. We need to head to the bridge.
Flash, radio check. We're a mile out.
Loud and clear. I'm tracking you in the GPS. Weird. I'm picking up a cold spot moving parallel to you in the woods. Parallel? Like stalking us? It's matching your pace.
Something is watching us.
We're on the bridge. Flash, are the static cams active?
Cameras 1 through 4 are live. I'm switching camera 3 to thermal mode.
Whoa! Whoa? We don't like whoa. What is it?
The bridge is glowing, Mudgie. Metal trusses are retaining heat. But it's midnight. It should be cold. It's like something just drove over it. You feel that vibration? My paws are buzzing.
It's residual energy. The track remembers the weight of the train.
Guys, I have a manifestation. Camera 4, end of the bridge. It's huge.
I don't see it.
Splash, is it close? It's building up steam pressure. The heat signature is off the charts. It's launching. Get off the track. It's right on top of you.
Splash, direction.
I can feel the heat.
Ah.
Flash, did you get it?
Look at this playback. You guys were standing there. And then this went right through you. I felt it. It was like standing next to a furnace. I'm never leaving the van again. Next episode, I'm sitting with Splash. Hey, monitoring is stressful work. I ran out of chips halfway through.
Well, we survived the Phantom Express. But we need to know, did you see anything in the background that we missed? Let us know in the comments with a timestamp.
And if you enjoyed watching me almost have a heart attack, do me a favor and subscribe. It's the least you can do for my suffering.
If you have a haunted location you want us to visit, drop it in the comments.
And don't forget to ring that bell icon. I'll be posting the raw thermal footage on our community tab later this week, so you don't want to miss that.
Thanks for watching the Ghost Otter. Stay spooky.